Welcome to Famety.com. Today we would like to introduce you to our tool, Discord Bio Generator. Discord allows its users to open channels and communicate with other users. Thus, describing your profile with an impressive bio is necessary to get the attention of other Discord users. Using a Discord Bio Generator helps you create an attractive Discord bio so that people can understand your interests, hobbies, personality, and enthusiasm as their first impression. Therefore, if you prepare a standing out bio with the help of a Discord About Me generator, you can grow your server or channels by attracting more potential members. Famety Free Generator is ready to assist you whenever you want to prepare a high-quality Discord profile bio easily. And let's follow the steps below. Choose the tone for your Discord bio by clicking the arrow under the Tone Style section. Choose your account type by clicking the arrow under the Account Type section. Write a brief description with a few words. Click the Generate button. Your Discord bio will be created in a few seconds. And that's it. Grab the attention of users and reach users quickly by creating a more optimized profile with our Discord Bio Generator. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.